All right, so we're going to put together the spring and the check valve. So you put the O-ring onto the check valve, and then you put the check valve into the piston. You make sure it kind of seats in that little that groove in there, and then you put what we do is we put the circlip in. And then after we get the circlip in, we make sure that the piston moves. And then we put we kind of wind the spring in. Now you'd think that you would put the spring in and then put the circlip on, but it's actually easier to do it this way. Then you check, and it should move back and forth. All right, that's it. Pretty easy.